Hey guys, welcome back to Gina Family. And today, this bean is gonna take some shots, and we'll see how it goes, eh? Come on, lads, get in. Start. So it's you, so I should start. Let's go.
Started.
I don't know what I'm doing with.
Pass.
That counts.
Wow!
I'm joking.
We are cooking chicken on the skewers. Guys, I'm so excited. I just told Mom I am hungry, and look what she made. Chicken skewers.
So I'm going to put it on the rice there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You excited?
Yeah.
How was school today?
It was wonderful.
Guys, we're going to have some supper tonight with some roti. So guys, that's what the noise is all about. Sorry about that. Guys, using this spice. Guys, it's been a while since we came out here. It's so cold. Dad is busy here making our chicken skewers. Oh, looks so delicious. Guys, tell me this is not looking delicious to you. Looks so delicious. And all these babies here.
And I went to the kitchen. I can't find the brush.
Wow.
I said before I can disturb you, I went to the garden. I took some mint. I'm using the mint for brush.
And you washed it nicely, no?
Of course.
Of course. Yes, of course.
Jimmy.
Guys, it's so cold. I don't know. I don't like to come outside anymore. It's so cold.
That cold.
Unless we're going out somewhere.
What do you think?
I think just a little bit more. I think that one's done now. Let me get a plate now. Chicken's ready. Roti getting done. Got one on the stove. We're gonna wrap the chicken inside here. Are you hungry now?
Give me shuffles. I think she's hungry.
Yes, she's very hungry, guys. You know she's dieting, so
And
this
she
is her
didn't have
first
lunch
meal
today.
for the day. Nah, first meal. So, guys, this is Isha's plate because this is the first meal for the
You
day,
want any roti?
and she's having a roti on the side. Go ahead, Isha. Take your food. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So now we're gonna make Dean's. Dean is waiting. How's the chicken? You're gonna die for us. Okay, you can do that when you eat your meal, right?
So Dad's making the roti.
So guys, I was making the roti. Dad was busy with the chicken outside. And then he came in, he washed his hand and he started it.
The skewers.
My man. So guys, Nisha is not having roti. She's gonna have salad and chicken only. Nisha is having chicken and salad, no roti.
Yeah, guys. Dad's so happy. I don't know why. Why are you happy?
He's acting sus,
Yeah.
Something's
What?
going on.
I'm always happy.
What's going on? You happy to make roti today?
Yes.
To your style to make how to make roti.
Yes,
no?
dry roti.
Dry? Dry? There's no, guys, the roti is so burnt. You don't even see this part.
Guys, my hands are clean.
It's not.
This
Guys, I went to the bathroom and I washed my hands, so.
This is your food, so it's okay. This is yours. This is for you, so it's okay. So guys, my hands are clean, okay? So don't say anything.
Let me see your hands.
I washed it.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, my son. So you want lettuce and cucumber, right?
Yes, sir.
Because Dean loves his salad like his daddy.
Oh, you like salad?
Yeah.
No.
Do you want avocados here, Dean?
No thanks.
So now I'm going to attempt to wrap your...
Please don't attempt.
Why?
Just
I
joking.
can't wrap. Yo guys, look at that.
So beautiful.
So cool.
Oh my god.
Dean.
I don't know where to start. But it's hot.
Hold it from here, no?
Let's just wait for a few minutes.
Okay. So Dean is going to taste, guys.
First, let me spectate it.
What?
Let me spectate it.
He's inspecting it.
Oh.
Looks sus, but I'm going to try it.
Looks sus. You try the chicken as well. Try the chicken. This boy is so naughty, guys.
He didn't reach it.
He didn't reach a chicken. Now, did you try the chicken? And how does it taste? Oh, is it a new style now? Whoa!
Pulling me also.
This child. So guys, we cut some avocados now to put on the wrap as well. Dean is just a vibe.
I want everything.
Okay, Abe. Everything is on there. Let's put 2 for you.
Yeah. Okay, try.
Huh?
Maybe just put some pieces. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. It's my, I can use my hands. Yeah?
What?
I say it's my husband's food, so I can use my hands.
Yeah.
It's clean anyway.
Roti is, we must have the roti. They're saying when the rotis go up like this, whoever is gonna eat is hungry.
Oh my
Look.
god, and Ishan was going like that thing.
Look away.
Oh gosh. Look at yours, it's so full. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap it. Check here. Hey guys, how
Wait,
am
wait,
I-
wait. I wanna put something here.
Okay, Nando sauce.
Yes.
Guys, I don't know, since his mouth came right, he's busy with the Nando sauce. You're going to let your mouth don't get sore
No,
again.
sir.
Just
But not extra hot. Is extra hot this one?
Yes.
Okay, put.
This is the one you ate the other day. I'm trying to like hold it out.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Oh my word. I don't know.
Okay, let me wrap my
Okay.
self.
I know you're just gonna fold it.
Yeah.
I wanted to wrap it nicely for you, but it's fine.
Try away. You have to obey.
I can't.
It's
Oh
a
my
challenge
God.
for you.
Okay, the challenge for me, yeah, I wrapped it. I can't, guys. I
Okay,
don't
let
know.
me try.
How is he going to do this?
Me, I'm just gonna.
Yeah, I wanted to do like that, but then I said you would just fold it over.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
No, you have to taste it.
Oh, we must start.
Just like Dean, I don't know.
What's up? Can you explain what happened here?
Dad did a fully loaded wrap, and guys, look, it fell. It's still falling. Oh my god. Look, guys. That's fully loaded wrap.
Sorry.
So, guys, we also have a bunny from lunchtime, which we didn't eat. So, we're going to make that hot as well now.
Why?
Why? W-H-Y.
Yes. Who?
So, Dean is teaching his dad how to spell words.
W-H-O.
Right, now you test, Dean.
Bruce and test is T-A-S-T.
Okay, you test Dean now. Let's see if we know, ne?
Best.
B-E-S-T.
Test.
T-E-S-T.
Cost.
C-O-S-T.
Lost.
L-O-S-T.
Bring.
Ring.
Ring, not bring.
I think the B. Ring.
R-I-N-G.
Wing.
W-I-N-G.
Long.
L-O-N-G.
Lung.
L-U-N-G.
Why?
W-H-Y.
Who?
W-H-O.
You.
Y-U-O. Yes? Y? O? U?
Yes. Why is it why you?
Who you?
Okay, guys, so this is our.
I got
I will
one.
spell New York.
Huh?
New York.
N-E-W York. Y
Bro, it's right
O
here.
Y-O-R-K.
Yes.
No, I don't want to see. Teeth. T. Okay.
Let me tell the viewers what is it. T-H-E.
Abu, I played 200.
T.
No? I played without giving that person one chance.
E.
Yeah, double E.
T.
What is the word?
I know teeth.
Huh?
Let me spell it. T-H-E-T-H-E.
No, you put the E at the end. You don't put the E in the middle. You're wrong.
No, wrong.
Yeah, but you got it.
You are teacher. You are my teacher, but you don't know nothing like me.
Okay.
Okay. What?
Spell hair.
Huh?
Spell hairy.
Hairy.
Yes.
This hairy.
Yes.
Okay.
My legs is
H.
hairy.
H-E-A-R.
Nope. It's
V.
H-E-I-R-Y.
Oh yeah. I want to say that. I want
You
to
want
say
to
that.
say?
I want to
Okay,
say
guys, I hope you enjoyed this video
wait.
with Dean and Dad spelling
Wait.
test. Oh, okay, sorry, guys.
that.
Continue.
Okay, next. Doggy.
Yeah.
Zip. S-I.
S-I.
Zip. What? Yeah.
You didn't say
S-I-P.
P.
S-I-P. Zip. I said zip.
Oh, it's not P. Okay. So, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn notifications, and you'll get notified when Dad posts another spelling test. Yeah. And, guys, I'm going to be testing him. I'm the teacher here. I know to spell phone, chicken, fart, teeth, and electrical monoxide, and braces. Okay, so what you want to tell the viewers?
Huh? Hey, close the video.
Tell the viewers.
Love you guys.
What?
Love you guys. Yeah.
That's what they do in soccer. You go to a Holland Center.
Hey.